Hello dear, without wasting your time we are going to share best food dehydrators 2022. The number 1 on the list is Elite Gourmet Food Dehydrators. Adjustable temperature from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. That foods are dehydrated at their optimal temperature, and horizontal airflow distributes heat evenly and efficiently. Healthy snacks. Prepare 100% all-natural dehydrated foods and snacks with no added sugars, additives or preservatives. No more processed junk food. Dry healthy fruit rolls, trail mix, granola, etc. Fun and crafts. Perfect for hobbyists to dry flowers, potpourri or dough crafts, and pet lovers to prepare healthy and delicious 100% natural treats for their furry companions. Even heat distribution. Using a base-mounted fan promotes even drying and air circulation. Large viewing window allows you to monitor the drying process. Safety tested. ETL listed at 350 W of power, 120 V is perfect for home use. Do not use outdoors. Dishwasher safe removable parts. The number 2 on the list is Tribest Food Dehydrators. Digital food dehydrator, featuring all digital controls and display with a maximum temperature of 167 Fahrenheit 75 Celsius that conforms with USDA beef jerky preparation guidelines and a minimum temperature of 77 Fahrenheit 25 Celsius degrees, allowing for fermenting cycles and raw foods preparation. The central single fan technology ensures even airflow and rapid dehydration of fruits, crackers, meat and more. The operating noise is minimal, making this one of the quietest food dehydrators. Compact design. Get all the dehydrating features without sacrificing all the kitchen counter space with this compact dehydrator, including 11 stainless steel trays and glass hinged door with internal LED light for easy monitoring. Temperature control. This food dehydrator machine prevents enzyme nutrient loss by allowing you to set precise temperatures and times with the 2-stage sequential temperature timer (TST). Easy to clean. The dehydrator trays are easy to extract and insert, making it easy to clean with a washable and reusable air filter. There is a catch tray to easily collect and discard any debris. Live Tribest life. At Tribest, we provide you with quality products that will energize your life. Our motto is making healthy living easy, and we ensure that with our latest innovations and quality products like juicers, blenders, sprouters, dehydrators and other wellness and specialty items. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. From fruits and vegetables to meats and crackers, the Tribest Sedona Express with central single fan technology ensures even airflow and rapid dehydration. This fruit and meat dehydrator for jerky is the world's first full-feature dehydrator with a compact, kitchen-friendly design. Use all 11 trays with the advanced TST feature to get the best results for all your dehydrating needs. The Sedona Express allows you to set the temperature and timer using its user-friendly all-digital controls. Precision dehydration has never been so easy. Get all these features without sacrificing the kitchen counter space. Adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. The Elite Gourmet 5-tier food dehydrator has 350 watts of drying power to ensure you can dry more food faster and easier. Enjoy nutritious, delicious and low-calorie snacks with the Elite Gourmet Food Dehydrator. The adjustable temperature control, 95 degrees Fahrenheit minus 160 degrees Fahrenheit, gives you the flexibility to achieve the best results when drying different foods that need varying temperature settings. The airflow forces the heated air up into the 5 trays with no rotation needed, keeping the air always circulating and moving to give optimal and consistent drying. Give your family and yourself fresh options to add to their breakfast, lunch, dinner or just a convenient snack. Each dehydrating tray is BPA-free and provides plenty of drying space. It's so easy. All you need is to prep your desired fruits and vegetables, spices, herbs, and even make all types of meats for jerky. Healthy preservation of food is important when you are looking. The number 3 on the list is Kazori Food Dehydrators. Designed in California, dehydrated foods keep all their flavor and can be stored for longer. Comes with 6 stainless steel trays, 1 mesh screen, 1 fruit roll sheet, 1 manual, and 1 recipe. Search for C267-2MS or C267FR to get more accessories. Stainless steel. Made with food-grade stainless steel and glass front door, this dehydrator is perfect for making healthy beef jerky, snacks, fruit leathers, dog treats, breadcrumbs, yogurt, and for preserving herbs, flowers, and much more instead of freeze-dryer machine. Hot air circulation makes it possible to make delicious yogurt, jerky, dried fruit, and so on. Compared with a freeze-dryer machine, this dehydrator can make more delicious food in less time. Easy to use. Use the digital control panel to set the timer in 30-minute increments for up to 48 hours. Make average-sized batches of dried foods with accurate temperatures between 95 degrees minus 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Refer to 50 recipes designed for beginners by Kazori Chef's team. Quiet to use. Simply press the start button to dehydrate your food and go to sleep. The noise is less than 48 decibels, which equals noise levels recorded in the library. Safe to use. Tray liners are BPA-free. Auto shut-off kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats. The number 4 on the list is Chefman Food Dehydrators. Dehydrating simplified. The Chefman dehydrator includes 6 spacious, 13x12, adjustable BPA-free plastic trays, so you can create different types of dehydrated foods in one convenient batch at a fraction of the cost of commercially dried foods. Makes for a great healthy snack and ideal for people with allergies as there are no preservatives. Digital touch settings. Digital temperatures. Preset settings ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Integrated with a countdown timer up to 19.5 hours. Provides accurate drying times and temperatures to make it super easy for you to start creating delicious dried fruit. The number 5 on the list is NutriChef Food Dehydrators. Electric preserver. Finally, a multi-tiered countertop electric food dehydrator that can preserve varieties of food. It produces nutritious food with very simple preparation. Prevent food to spoil and go to waste with the new NutriChef Food Preserver 10-tiered dryer trays. Comes with 10 food-grade stainless steel trays or dryer rack. Can also be used to dry food without the use of the dehydrator. Since the trays are removable, they are very easy to clean. Also includes mesh screen and fruit roll sheet. Temperature control. Uses electronic probe and temperature control for food preservation, 95 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Dehydrates and preserves meat like the famous beef jerky. Produces organic healthy snacks by dehydrating fruits, vegetables to make potato kale chips.